Good day. Welcome to Teacher Ariel TV. Today, you are going to learn about multiply 4-digit by 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Multiplication is the process of combining equal groups to find the total number of items. Now, let's get started. Find the product 2,457 times 345. First, arrange the numbers in columns like this. Place the digit of the number in a column based on its place value. Next, multiply 2,457 by 5 ones. Let's start with 7 times 5. 7 times 5 equals 35. So we need to regroup. 3 will be carried over in the tens place column above 5 and 5 under the ones column. Then multiply 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Add the 3 that you have carried over. So 25 plus 3 is equals to 28. So we need to regroup. 2 will be carried over in the hundreds place column above 4 and 8 under the tens place column. Now, multiply 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Add the 2 that we have carried over. So, 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. So, we need to regroup. 2 will be carried over in the thousands place column above 2 and 2 under the hundreds place column. Now, multiply 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Add the 2 that we have carried over. So, 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Next, multiply 2,457 by 4 tenths. We are going to write 0 here. Now, multiply 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is equal to 28. So we need to regroup. 2 will be carried over in the tens place column above 5 and 8 under the tens column. Then multiply 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Add the 2 that we have carried over. So 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. So we need to regroup. 2 will be carried over in the hundreds place column above 4 and 2 under the hundreds column. Then multiply 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Add the 2 that we have carried over. So 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. So we need to regroup. 1 will be carried over in the thousands place column above 2 and 8 under the thousands column. Now, multiply 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Add the 1 that we have carried over. So, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Now, multiply 2,457 by 3 hundreds. We are going to write 2 zeros here. Now, multiply 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is equal to 21. So, we need to regroup. 2 will be carried over in the tens place column above 5 and 1 under the hundreds column. Then, multiply 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Add the 2 that we have carried over. So, 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. So, we need to regroup. 1 will be carried over in the hundred place column above 4 and 7 under the thousands column. Then, multiply 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Add the 1 that we have carried over. So, 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So, we need to regroup. 1 will be carried over in the thousands place column above 2 and 3 under the tens thousands column. Now, multiply 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Add the 1 that we have carried over. So, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Now, we are going to add all the 3 partial products to obtain the final product. First, we are going to add the ones column. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Next, 8 plus 8 plus 0 is equal to 16, which we regroup 106 tenths. Now, we are going to add 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6. We're going to add 2 plus 8 plus 7. 2 plus 8 plus 7 is equal to 17, which we regroup 1 10,000 and 7 thousandths. Now, we are going to add 1 plus 1 plus 9 plus 3 is equal to 14, which we regroup 100,000 and 4 10,000ths. Now, we are going to add 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. So, the final product is 847,665. Another example, 2,568 times 276. First, arrange the numbers in columns like this. Place the digit of the number in a column based on its place value. Next, multiply 2,568 by 6 ones. Let's start with 8 times 6. 8 times 6 is equal to 48. So we need to regroup. 4 will be carried over in the tens place column above 6 and 8 under the ones place column. Then, multiply 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is equal to 36. Add the 4 that we have carried over. So, 36 plus 4 is equal to 40. So, we need to regroup. 4 will be carried over in the hundreds place column above 5 and 0 under the tens column. Now, multiply 5 times 6. 5 times 6 is equal to 30. Add the 4 that we have carried over. So, 30 plus 4 is equal to 34. So, we need to regroup. 3 will be carried over in the thousands place column above 2 and 4 under the hundreds column. Now, multiply 2 times 6. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Add the 3 that we have carried over. So, 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. Now, multiply 2,568 by 7 tenths. We are going to write 0 here. Now, multiply 8 times 7. 8 times 7 is equal to 56. So, we need to regroup. 5 will be carried over in the tens place column above 6 and 6 under the tens column. Then, multiply 6 times 7. 6 times 7 is equal to 42. Add the 5 that we have carried over. So, 42 plus 5 is equal to 47. So, we need to regroup. 4 will be carried over in the hundreds place column above 5 and 7 under the hundreds column. Now, multiply 5 times 7. 5 times 7 is equal to 35. Add the 4 that we have carried over. So, 35 plus 4 is equal to 39. So, we need to regroup. 3 will be carried over in the thousands place column above 2 and 9 under the thousands column. Now, multiply 2 times 7. 2 times 7 is equal to 14. Add the 3 that we have carried over. So, 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. Next, multiply 2,568 by 2 hundreds. We are going to write 2 zeros here. Now, multiply 8 times 2. 8 times 2 is equal to 16. So, we need to regroup. 1 will be carried over in the tens place column above 6 and 6 under the hundreds place column. Then, multiply 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Add the 1 that we have carried over. So, 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So, we need to regroup. 1 will be carried over in the hundreds place column above 5 and 3 under the thousands column. Now, multiply 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Add the 1 that we have carried over. So, 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So, we need to regroup. 1 will be carried over in the thousand place column above 2 and 1 under the tens thousands column. Now, multiply 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Add the 1 that we have carried over. So, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Now, Add all the three partial products to obtain the final product. Let's start with 8 plus 0 plus 0. 8 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 8. Next, 0 plus 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. Now, we are going to add 4 plus 7 plus 6. 4 plus 7 plus 6 is equal to 17, which we regroup 1,000 and 700s. Then, we're going to add 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 3 is equals to 18, which we regroup 10,000 and 8,000s. Now, we are going to add 1 plus 1 plus 7 plus 1 is equal to 10, which we regroup 100,000 and 10,000. And we are going to add 1 plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 7. Our final answer is 708,768. Quiz time! Let's answer this. You only have 20 seconds to answer. Find the product. 1,356 times 243. Start now. Time's up. The answer is 329,508. 2,438 times 156. Time's up. The answer is 380,328. 3,798 times 309. Time's up. Answer is 1,173,582. 4,828 times 434. Time's up. The answer is 2,095,352. 5,617 times 734. Time's up. The answer is 4,122,878. That's all for now. I hope you enjoy learning about multiply 4-digit by 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Thanks for watching.